All right, so I want to quickly touch on some of the software platforms that you need to have if you're going to be operating on Amazon, doing the wholesale model. And number one is going to be KEEPA. You need to get KEEPA. Now, what KEEPA is a historical database of the prices and the volumes that a specific product has been selling on Amazon for the entire duration that's ever been on Amazon. And what we're going to find is that, we're going to get a chart, right? And it's going to show us that, this is going to be price and this is going to be time, is that, the product might be starting to sell low, but based on seasonality, the price might go high. Maybe Amazon gets on the listing, it takes a huge dip, Amazon gets off the listing, etc. And you really want to make sure that you're paying very close attention to KEEPA and the historical prices of products. I mean, look, ideally, you're getting a product that has, relatively consistent pricing across the board. Now, look, there's always going to be fluctuations, but you really want to pay attention to what's going on. Now, generally speaking, we really want to try to avoid any listings where Amazon is actually selling on that listing, because we're really just setting ourselves up for a losing game. Because look, Amazon, they control the platform, and everybody's going to go to Amazon, given the choice, right? But if we see that Amazon has a history of actually going on that listing and then selling out of the product, well, we can get pretty creative on how we, time getting into that product. So timing is everything, and KEEPA is really going to show you what price you actually need to be selling your products for, and then as well, historically where those prices are, right? Because look, you got to make sure that when you buy a product, all the money is made on the buy, right? So you want to make sure that you're getting your price, cheap enough that accounts for the fluctuations in the prices. That's really what I'm getting at. So if you're starting on Amazon and you want to know what's the very first software that you need to get, well, it's going to be this thing, KEEPA, okay? So get the software, get started, and let's start making some money.